Affordable luxury, this is how we call it.
Okay, luxury भी affordable.
हाँ.
You are keeping the team and yourself at the same level.
Absolutely.
पर्सनल कुछ नहीं होता, मैं जेठालाल बनती जा रही हूँ सच में.
अमीरों के लिए ना हमेशा से ऑप्शंस रहे हैं.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Conversation with Khushbu. As a podcaster, I have always driven into inspirational stories. That's what Maisa Stays bring. They bring experiences for the travelers. And today I'm very excited to dive deeper into the journey of two young and very talented business people. Hi Mohit, hi Kamya.
Hi.
How are you guys doing?
Very well.
Very well.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
Pakka?
हाँ जी.
So, like we have had the conversation before on call.
Yes.
But I wanted to highlight ki how did Maisa Steaks came into existence?
Right. So 2 years, it started 2 years back, and Maisa Stays ऐसे start हुआ था कि जब मैं college में था, तो I was very fascinated by this idea कि one can earn from a property which they don't even own by just managing and running it. So I initially मैंने बहुत Magic Bricks से या 99 Acres I used to find out property owners and I used to approach them, let me manage your property, let me run your property. A 22-year-old guy क्योंकि property कैसे दे देंगे उनको कि I had no experience whatsoever, I had no knowledge whatsoever. I was just interested and fascinated about this industry. So I quickly realized that I have to have some experience, so I joined some companies जिसमें से मुझे ये experience मिला, but then I realized कि there were not many options for अमीरों के लिए ना हमेशा से options रहे हैं. Be it hotels, be it villas, homestays, palatial villas, everything they had. But जो people that are not coming from a very affluent family, they did not have a very good options and कोई standardized बहुत कमी companies थी भी, but कमी थी into a lot of things. So we figured out a gap. This is how Maisa Stays came into existence.
Nice. So it's properly like affordable for
Affordable
yeah.
luxury, this is how we call it.
Okay, luxury भी affordable भी.
हाँ जी.
दोनों साथ में. So Kamya, how did you join him?
So studied law.
हाँ.
ठीक है. And
Law सच में?
हाँ यार पढ़ना पड़ा, ऑप्शन नहीं
आपकी
था.
personality से आप एकदम creative mind लगते हो.
नहीं पढ़ना पड़ा. Because my mom, she's a lawyer, and I belong to a Sindhi family, तो business DNA में ही है. So yeah, that's why I joined Mohit.
Nice. Concept अच्छा है. At Maisa Stays,
हाँ जी.
he said कि affordable living. Correct. How did you manage to fill the requirements of the travelers?
So people come to us with lots of requirements, but at Maisa Stays we have something for everyone. Okay. आजकल जैसे vocation का concept बहुत आ रहा है. If you know, like people like to work with a view. किसको अच्छा लगेगा लैपटॉप लेके चार दीवारों में काम करो? But it's a pleasant feeling जब लैपटॉप रहता है और सामने mountains and you have a cup of tea in your hand. So that's why we have crazy weekday deals. We offer a lot affordability pricings during the weekdays, and people do come with us their requirement like birthday hai and anniversary, I want to make it special for my partner. So we definitely give a personalized touch to their decors. That's what we do for them.
You said कि weekdays पे you offer the affordable prices.
Absolutely.
Not
like
everyone has. But like आप clients को तो affordable देते हो. Is it good for your own brand?
Absolutely. I mean, why not? Because जैसे मोहित ने पहले मेंशन किया कि अमीरों को केटर करने के लिए सारे ब्रांड्स हैं, तो व्हाट अबाउट द पीपल? इट्स ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए ना कि सिर्फ मिडिल क्लास और अपर मिडिल क्लास के कुछ है ही नहीं. ठीक है. सो दैट इज आवर ऑडियंस एंड आई बिलीव कि उन्हें भी हर कोई एक्सपीरियंस डिजर्व करता है अपने लाइफ में, एंड वी आर हियर फॉर एवरीवन.
You are here for everyone. तो आपके तो मजे होंगे रोज ट्रैवल, न्यू प्रॉपर्टीज एंड ऑल.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हमारे लिए हिल स्टेशंस अभी से वैसे काम हो गया है. वी ओनली वर्क 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 एवरी डे. वी वर्क 7 days a week. Trust me.
Really?
Yes, we do.
It means आपके लिए to काम.
हाँ.
With the view and work.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice. Great. How do you see the future of travel evolving?
If you know, पहले स्टेकेशन या वेकेशन का मतलब होता था नानी का घर.
Correct.
ठीक है. वहां ही जाते थे होम कुक्ड मील्स और फैमिली टाइम के लिए. ठीक है. बट हमारी जनरेशन इज बुकिंग स्टेज एवरी मंथ. दे वांट टू गो एवरी मंथ. बाहर जाना, लोनावला एंड करजत, दे वांट टू गो. सो आई फील दैट इज इवॉल्विंग बिकॉज हमारे पेरेंट्स इतना ट्रैवल, हमारे घर वाले बोलते हैं बस करो, कितना घूमोगे, सारा टाइम बाहर रहते हो. So that is there. काफी change हुआ है पहले से, and that's where we come in so that everyone can go to the vacations and go to the stays with a different experience every time.
Okay, on that point, Mohit, she said कि different places and you know हमें travel
Right.
करना अच्छा लगता है. How many places like your properties are there?
We have all across Maharashtra and Goa.
Okay.
Right now, we have 22 properties across
Okay.
Maharashtra and Goa. Maharashtra, mein you name it, Karjat, Lonavala, Igatpuri, Alibag, Khopoli, all these hotspots near Mumbai and Pune, ये सारी जगहों पे हैं. And then in Goa, right now, we are currently in North Goa, but we are also extending towards the south as well.
Okay, so you went there personally and to check if it's
Absolutely, absolutely. So whenever we onboard a property, it's not like हम लोग pictures से decide कर लेते हैं we should make it a Mysore Stays portfolio or not. We personally visit the property. Our team visits the property. We find out कि these are the scope of improvements. कुछ अगर leakage होता है, all these things, be it from interior, be it from sanitizations of laundry, everything, Wi-Fi, we have it all. Every property that we onboard goes through a very strict checkup of audit pointers. वो पास होने के बाद ही दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज ऑनबोर्डेड इनटू अ माइसर स्टेज पोर्टफोलियो.
Okay.
जी.
So on that note, if you would want to invite any one person at your staycation, who would be?
It could be a very cliche answer, but honestly, I would like to invite Mr. Ritesh Agarwal, the founder of Oyo. It is
Okay.
because I'm inspired by the way that he has built his company,
Okay.
and also he's been one of the youngest. He's one of the youngest. नहीं, he is the youngest billionaire in India.
Oh.
And दूसरी बात ये है कि because he has also been through a same journey that I am going through right now. I see a lot of his podcast, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I think अगर मुझे invite ही करना होगा तो for sure I would want to have the Mr. founder of Oyo.
Okay,
Yes.
so you relate your life, work life with him,
Yes, yes.
and you are quite inspired by it.
yes, because I saw it his podcast कि उसमें वो बोलते थे कि लाइट लगाते थे, हम गेस्ट आते थे, हम कोई स्टाफ नहीं होता था तो वी यूज टू केटर टू एवरी गेस्ट की नीड. कभी हम लोग नहीं होता था तो हम ध्यान देते थे, तो मुझे वो भी रिलेट होता था कि हाँ मैंने भी ये सब चीजें की हैं. So that is why.
I would like to add
Yeah, please.
on that. इसने already invite कर लिया है.
Oh really?
He keeps texting him on LinkedIn. He does, and he's like कि मैं एक ना एक दिन तो पक्का he's going to read my message. We're going to have a very good conversation. And on another note, जैसे बोला कि जैसे रितेश अग्रवाल used to change lights and everything, same. When you go to a property, आपको मोहित में और हमारे मैनेजर में कोई फर्क नहीं दिखेगा. They look same. ऐसे
That is
लगेगा
why
ही
the
नहीं.
uniforms also, if you could see,
Yeah.
Exactly.
the uniforms that are caretakers wear. So
Yeah.
that is there.
So you are keeping the team and yourself at the same level.
Absolutely,
This is
absolutely.
really nice. And not everybody does. That. To be very
Absolutely.
frank.
Respect for everyone, and that is why we want to show them कि we are also all the same.
And I think you know the person you're inspired by, he sees that, and you know हम इसका भी एक reel बनाएंगे and उन्हें tag करेंगे कि क्या
For
पता एक
sure,
दिन
for
वो आ
sure.
जाए.
Let everyone tag. If you are all watching, please tag Ritesh Agarwal on this.
comment में tag कर देना.
What is the one biggest differentiator between you and your competitors?
So our brand set us apart from others is that our maximum properties are pet friendly. Okay. And our COO, that stands for Chief Cuteness Officer Mickey. He's a Shih Tzu. He's a part of our company. So he makes sure that every property is pet friendly. So आप अपने furry friends को you can't leave them home because they're part of our families. I personally understand कि हम जब उन्हें घर छोड़ के आते हैं ना तो हमें उतना मजा नहीं आता. And the best part about some of our properties is कि that your pet can join you in the pool as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
allow नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. But when you see them having fun, it's a pure bliss. सच में. So we are trying to make it work as much as possible from our side. And आपकी सारे family members, including your pets, should feel happy when they're on vacation.
The way you're saying, it's like हम जो वो cute reels देखते हैं ना
Absolutely.
pets in the pool and all.
हाँ.
Probably want to get that vibe. to your
Absolutely.
clients.
जी बिल्कुल.
We also sanitize the pool after that. So
हाँ.
Oh.
Yeah. He makes sure that.
Great. So like this is the best part, but यहाँ पे competition बहुत है. It's just not your brand, right? There are a lot of competitions. I won't name it, but people are there in the market कि Airbnb भी है. It's one of the thing. What sets you apart from Airbnb, and can you just explain a bit of your concept?
sure. So Airbnb is not our competition, honestly. In fact, we collaborate with Airbnb.
Okay.
Airbnb does not go into the property and checks about all these things. You only get to know about a property after the reservation is done, and once the review is out तो आपको पता चलता है. But when you book it through MySA Stays, तो वो trust already रहता है, because हमारी हर प्रॉपर्टी, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, हमारी हर प्रॉपर्टी goes through a very strict process of auditing and checklist. So we ensure that. So we partner with homeowners, and we also take properties on lease and also work on a rev share model.
Okay. Is there any app where people can go and do the booking?
For sure, yes. So people can book it through. They can call us on our calling number.
I'll put it down.
Yes, thank you. And also we have our website called as mysastays.com.
Okay.
And these are the platforms where you can book it
Get
from.
in touch. Okay. You had said before that it's almost 2 years to this brand. What kind of challenges have you faced?
We have faced a lot of challenges,
Mhm.
especially in hiring people, making a team,
Mhm.
because लोगों के दिमाग में रहता है कि हमें तो बॉम्बे जाके काम करना है, हमारी ऑफिस बीकेसी में है, ये बोलने में काफी अच्छा लगता है.
Correct.
But people don't understand that you can make startups from a small town as well. There's a lot of scope if you have a good team. ठीक है, if you have a vision, startup कहीं से भी बन सकता है.
Correct.
ठीक है, and we are young. बहुत लोग हमें कई बार हल्के में भी ले लेते हैं, because we have to deal with people who are much older than us, with all due respect. But yeah, currently the team we have, we are very grateful for it, and eventually we'll grow and we'll definitely.
So anything for people who can't go at office and work, like me, like moms, like women who can't go out of. Are you planning something for them?
Yes, we do. So we are currently trying and testing this program, work from home.
Okay.
ठीक है. So being a woman entrepreneur, I feel कि जितने भी I can onboard women on my team, I will.
Okay.
And so we are trying and testing कि अगर कोई घर से काम कर सकता है, and if they're okay, if they're comfortable, so definitely.
To add to this, 90% of our workforce is all ladies.
Really?
Yes.
हाँ जी.
Can you explain थोड़ा सा like how?
Women's को उतनी opportunities मिली नहीं है. So when they come for an interview, we see that even though if they are a fresher, and वो spark दिख जाता है उनमें, तो we definitely hire them and we train them. Because I feel मतलब हमें as a youngsters, हमें भी बहुत बार ना opportunities नहीं मिली है. Because maybe we are too young, maybe they are not, they are like कि अरे बच्चे हैं अब तक, इन्हें हम कैसे अपनी करोड़ों की प्रॉपर्टी के साथ ट्रस्ट करें. बिल्कुल नहीं. So this happens कि रहता है ना कि when you it's a universe, when you give back you get it.
Correct.
That's how it works. So that's what we do.
Oh, you believe in universe.
Absolutely.
But जब आपने first property close to the deal,
Yes.
how did you feel and how did you manage to gain that trust? जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि बड़ों को trust नहीं होता है ना जल्दी कि इतने young कैसे करेंगे and all that. How did you do that?
Honestly, when I recall कर रहा हूँ that day when I जब वो first exclusive property आ गई थी, I was very happy that after so many years of work experience, I've cracked one deal, and someone is actually now trusting MySA Stays. It was very humbling, and at the same time, I was looking at it as an opportunity कि ये तो अभी करना है. So that was the property where we maxed out, and हमारे कंपनी का जो first maximum revenue हुआ था was from that property. And even till date वो property आज भी हमारे साथ है, एंड जिन्होंने वो इन्वेस्ट किया था प्रॉपर्टी में, आज उनका भी ट्रस्ट हमारे साथ है, और भी उन्होंने और भी प्रॉपर्टीज बनाई हैं जो हमारे साथ अगेन उन्होंने हमें ही मैनेज करने के लिए.
है वो प्रॉपर्टी?
करजत.
ओह नाइस.
जी.
सो लाइक कुछ स्ट्रगल्स, कुछ ऐसी स्टोरी आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे जिसमें हमने एकदम प्रॉपर स्ट्रगल्स फेस किए हो?
श्योर. मतलब हम लोग जब प्रॉपर्टीज व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू, जब मेरे पास प्रॉपर्टीज नहीं थी, आई डिड नॉट हैव अ पोर्टफोलियो, सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल डिड नॉट एग्जैक्टली नो वेयर इज दिस गाय हेडेड टू, and where is the, I mean, उनको ट्रस्ट नहीं आ पाता था. So I used to meet, I used to forecast, we had a forecast, हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में बता सकते थे कि हम लोग इतना बिजनेस करते थे, but honestly we ourselves were not sure कि हम लोग ले तो लेंगे but हम लोग बिजनेस कर पाएंगे क्या. So it was like taking a risk also, because owner, you have given a word to the investor that you're going to do so much of business, and then coming up to that was a struggle. But then God has been kind, and we have been working hard to achieve whatever we have committed.
Okay, so you have achieved a lot being so young. What keeps you so driven?
So I have a lot of gratitude that we have work. बहुत लोगों को विजन ढूंढने में, क्लैरिटी होने में टाइम लगता है.
Correct.
But as Mohit mentioned, God has been kind since day one with us. हमें vision है, हमें clarity है, and I come from a very privileged environment. So this is me giving back to my parents.
No.
Yeah.
I feel कि I should do things at the right time.
Okay.
I don't want to be spiritual when I'm 70, when I don't have anything to do. I don't want to be available for my mom when she's very old. I don't want to be available for my children when they are very young. मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना. I would want to give time to everyone. So I think एक certain lifestyle के लिए you have to keep doing it again and again. You have to show up again and again every day so that you can earn a certain lifestyle and on the same time, because ऐसे laid back रहेंगे, driven नहीं रहेंगे, तो I feel of course you will achieve success, but then it will be too delayed to enjoy all these things. So I feel you should, whenever if you have someone is planning to do it, people should do it on time so that you can enjoy the benefits out of it as well.
Ah, nice mindset. I really liked it the way you said. I should keep in mind. But on that note, how did the name came Maisa?
So जब मैंने अपने struggles के days जब आपको बताए, तो उस time पे I used to be very close with my नानी and my mom, and नानी always used to say कि एक दिन तू खुद बहुत अच्छा करेगा, एक दिन तू अपनी खुद प्रॉपर्टी बनाएगा. तो I lost my nani couple of years back. So when my nani passed, suddenly I started getting a lot of opportunities. I was suddenly getting a lot of homeowners trust, and then suddenly company एकदम बढ़ने लगी. तो I wanted to मुझे मेरी नानी के नाम पे कुछ करना था. So Maisa means a mother which is godly.
Oh.
So Maisa का मतलब ये है. So that is me dedicating it to my nani and my mom.
Okay. Like you said, बड़ों को जो blessings रहती हैं, बड़ों जैसे उन्होंने आपको बोला कि तू एक दिन प्रॉपर्टी लेकर आना, तो don't you feel कि उन्हें वो वाइब पहले ही आ चुकी थी आपके लिए?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक उन्होंने मे बी मैं जो टाइम पे नहीं देख पा रहा था, उन्होंने मे बी वो देखा होगा कुछ.
I mean, right कि
Yes.
उन्होंने आपको ऐसे blessings already दे दिए, now you are actually into property business and everything,
Yes.
right?
आई थिंक मैं बहुत मानता हूँ कि किसी की ब्लेसिंग्स लेना, तो आई थिंक आई हैव बीन वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू रिसीव ब्लेसिंग्स.
Ah.
तो वो एक बात रही है, एंड आई थिंक एंड आई डेडिकेट माय सक्सेस टू माय मॉम एंड माय नानी.
Oh,
Both these women have been, and plus her as well, my sister as well, वो भी है. But my nani and my mom have been the strongest pillars in my life.
साक्षात सारी देवियां इसके साथ है तो होगा ही.
All woman power.
Yeah. But like family time आपने बोला कि आपको everything on time करना है. But अभी currently तो it's a period of where you have to work a lot.
Yeah.
How do you balance your professional and personal life altogether?
कुछ नहीं होता ये सब. प्रोफेशनल पर्सनल कुछ नहीं होता. मैं जेठालाल बनती जा रही हूँ सच में. जेठालाल को जैसे जेठालाल को सिर्फ अपनी दुकान और खाने जलेबी फाफड़े से मतलब है, मुझे सेम मेरे ऑफिस और मेरे खाने से मतलब है. आई हैव गेन 15 kgs in past 2 years because I am not promoting this lifestyle at all. नहीं तो जैसे नारायण मूर्ति जी पे वो मीम्स बने थे, मुझ पे भी बन जाएंगे. तो I am not promoting this at all. We need to find work life and personal life balance. And we're still figuring it out.
Yeah.
And eventually, yeah, I won't be Jethalal anymore.
I love how you said it. Oh my God, वो proper जेठालाल vibe.
है ना? इसलिए कहा, मतलब वो लैपटॉप के सामने खाना पूरी क्रिएटिविटी बाहर आ जाएगी मेरी. That's what I need.
सही है. मतलब थोड़े टाइम में सब सेट हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल
Of
बिल्कुल.
course.
नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में तो I'll be एकदम fit.
You'll be like
आपके साथ ही. बिल्कुल.
I'm so glad. Last but not the least, of course, the last. What advice you would like to give to young, people who want to start their business in this field?
So ऐसा नहीं कि हम बहुत बड़े हैं. We are also I am 25 years old and she's the same.
Oh no, seriously?
Yes.
Yes.
Really?
हाँ.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So but yes, of course, the way we started, I feel people should whatever they get, whatever they have an opportunity जो मिलती है, they should get on to it. They should not think about what am I getting out of it. या बस जो भी है ना, do it so beautifully and the world will reward you. This is what I think. start करो, बस भगवान bless कर ही देता है कैसे ना कैसे, because भगवान हमारा हार्ड वर्क हमेशा देखेगा. कोई देखे ना देखे, but he is always there.
Any advice to women who want to, start in this business?
Usually, I believe कि when women are in business, they are not taken that much seriously in a leadership role.
Yeah.
But if you be very clear with your communication and strong leadership, people will listen to you. And that's what I also apply, when I deal with my team. And I believe कि हमें उतनी women entrepreneurs चाहिए, right? होने चाहिए business में. We are not just pretty faces. Trust
And I
me.
love listening to you.
We have a very very a very smart minded people, but कैसे रहता है कि हमें वो exposure मिलता है, but I am glad कि मुझे मिली है. मेरे पापा ने मुझे हमेशा support किया है, and that's what I have been passing on, because that has been my upbringing. And we make sure that we hire them as much as we can, and we train them well, we polish them. So yeah, that's why we are here. We are here because of our team.
I hope to work with you guys one day. Trust
Same
me.
here.
Would love to.
Yeah.
Love
ये life
to.
मुझे भी चाहिए कि Google and
We would love to have a podcaster in our team.
हाँ, बात पे podcast, बात पे podcast. हाँ.
ये इसके लिए बना दे अभी
चलो.
हाँ, है ना?
That's pretty much our conversation, and I absolutely love it. I would like to thank Bharti Udasi. She supported a lot in this podcast. She's the back of this podcast. Because of her, this happened. I hope you watched this entire podcast and you liked it. Please don't forget to go check out their website and my page as well. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Toodles.